Hey guys, what's up? So, in this video, it's just gonna be another bike ride, but other than that, I just noticed that I hit 36 subscribers. I don't know when I hit it, I don't know how I hit it. I just hit 36 subscribers, so I'm really grateful and I'm thankful for you guys' support over the years. I'm gonna be doing if I hit 40 soon, I'm gonna be doing a like a little dare thing. So like you guys can comment on one of my videos. Doesn't matter which one. Just find a video that has the comments open. For some reason, my comments haven't been open. Don't know why. I don't know why at all. I'm serious. So yeah. So hold up. I gotta go back. My thing is literally screwed up. Yo, my thing is just it's alright. Should be tightened. Let's go. Huh? Yeah, that toilet thing. Yo, that's a toilet thing. That thing was here literally 30 minutes ago. I saw it like pass down that way, and then it just came up again. There might be a lot of blurring in this video, cause you know, like private information, like license plate. Oh crap! Like license plates and what else? Addresses. Oh shit! Sorry. Alright, so don't really know what to do other than just make a video, of course. So the reason why I decided to make a YouTube channel, because first, my friend, he had a YouTube channel. So he had a Musical.ly, and then he uploaded those Musical.lys onto YouTube. Musical.ly is like the old TikTok. It's crazy. So then I decided to make videos because number one, I'm bored. Number two, I thought of it as a kind of nice daily activity to create content for people across the world. So I just kind of like decided to start a YouTube channel and start making content. So yeah. Oh crap, I'm going fast. Oh, something. Hold up. Oh, yo, something on my eye. Can't see. I literally can't see. Crap, that hurt. Oh crap. I can barely see. Yep, that neighbor that we just crossed. Yeah, he's not the most pleasant person. Kind of a crackhead, I gotta say. So yeah, I don't really pass by when he is out. Oh no, not the girl. Not the little girl. No, she's out. Maybe. Let's go. Oh crap. Alright. It's kind of hot today. Don't know why, but it's kind of hot. I mean, like, there's like a bit wind. There's a nice breeze. But yeah, it is pretty hot. Sorry for shaking the camera or the thing. Alright. Yeah? Alright. Hold up. Alright, me and my friend, I'm gonna play soccer. Alright, let me go get water. Oh crap. We might be playing soccer. Me and my friends, we might play soccer. I'm just gonna get water because I'm freaking thirsty.
Nisman está on fire ahorita.
¿Quién salió algún niño?
Yeah.
¿Quién?
Rylan.
Ya estoy esperando el video de Mr. Satan.
Alright, yo. I don't know what the heck happened. Crap. Alright, so something appeared. It's like the Apple ID. The whatever. Shenanigans. Freaking trying to scam me. Hold up! That hurt. That hurt. Oh crap. The seat freaking scratched me. Alright. Alright, let's go. Me and my friend, we might be doing a soccer. Now, I am not the best at soccer anymore because I freaking stepped on glass and it got in my foot and it left a huge mark. I don't really want to show you guys. It's not pleasant. So yeah. So here are my friends. The tripod? No.
Oh, how about you do first person soccer?
I am doing this.
How about first person soccer?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video. Hold on, I'm gonna make another video. Because this video is gonna be like 20 minutes longer than that if I play soccer. So like and subscribe. Thank you for 36 subscribers. Shout out to my friend right here. To my other friend. He's on his hoverboard doing some dance. Alright. 7 minutes, not that long. See you guys in the next one.